This 2022 Newmar New Aire 3543 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Sparta Decor, Dover Rift Oak Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 4, stovetop burner, slideout, leveling jacks, TV antenna, air conditioning, TV, external shower, self-contained, awning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar New Aire 3543 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.